In this video, we're going to prove the rational root theorem, which says that, if you have a polynomial equation like this, and if you have a rational root, let's just say m over n, where m over n are integers. They don't have to be positive integers. This was for another proof, but m and n are integers. Obviously, n is not 0, and mn equals 1. This is shorthand. This means the greatest common divisor of m and n is 1. Then I'm trying to remember what goes into what. There's a mnemonic I had. M and n. Okay, since I'm having trouble, I'll teach my mnemonic now. So imagine that all these terms in the middle don't exist, and it's just the 7x to the 4th and the negative 10. Imagine this is just an x. Now, if we solve this, we would get x equals 10 over 7. So it's like 10 over 7. So the numerator is basically the 10, and the denominator is the 7. So I remember now. So basically, the numerator has to go into 10, and the denominator has to go into 7. So basically, it's saying that m has to go into or be a factor of 10, and n has to go into or be a factor of 7. And, we're allowing positive or negative integers for m and n. All right, let's do the proof. So for the proof, assume, m over n fits the bill, so it is a root. And now what we'll do is get rid of all these denominators. So we'll multiply both sides by n to the 4th, so we get 7m to the 4th minus 5m cubed n plus 4m squared n squared plus 2mn cubed minus 10n to the 4th equals 0. Okay, so we want to show that m goes into 10. Well, m goes into, look at the left side, m goes into all of the terms on the left side. We know that m has to go into the whole left side because the whole left side is 0, so m goes into the left side. Since m goes into the first 4 terms on the left side, it has to go into this last term. M doesn't go into n because we've assumed that the greatest common divisor of m and n is 1, so we know that m has to go into 10. Similar reasoning will finish the proof. So n, we want to show that n goes into 7. Well, n has to go into the entire left side because the entire left side is 0. And n goes into all the terms on the left side except this, well, obviously goes into all terms on the left side except maybe this term. So it has to go into this term. Well, it doesn't go into m because, again, the greatest common divisor of m and n is 1, so it has to go into 7. All right, see you in another video, I hope.